Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get more friend requests on Facebook. First, you need to buy Facebook friend requests. The idea of purchasing FB friend requests might seem unconventional, but it's a method employed by many looking to enhance their online stature quickly. Second, have an eye-catching profile. Your profile is your digital front door to the world of Facebook. A high-quality, smiling profile picture can make you seem friendly and approachable, while a creative cover photo can express your personality or passions. Consider these images your introduction to potential friends. They should capture your essence at a glance. The About section of your profile is a small canvas for big possibilities. Use it to share a concise yet compelling narrative about yourself. Include hobbies, interests, and maybe a quirky fact or two. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity and shared experiences. Third, search for friends. Dive into Facebook's search bar not just with names, but with interests, locations, and educational backgrounds. This targeted search can help you rediscover old friends, and make new ones with similar interests or life experiences. It's like casting a net into the sea of profiles. Be specific with your searches to catch potential friends most aligned with your interests. After finding potential friends, personalize your approach. If you're sending a request to someone you don't know personally but share mutual interests, include a message explaining why you'd like to connect. Fourth, join a group. Facebook groups are a treasure trove of niche communities. From knitting enthusiasts to drone pilots, there's a group for almost every conceivable interest. By joining these groups, you find a community of like-minded individuals and increase your visibility to potential friends who share your passions. When looking for groups to join, consider the size of the group, the level of activity, and how closely it aligns with your interests. Fifth, create a page. Creating a Facebook page isn't just for businesses or public figures. It's a brilliant strategy for individuals looking to extend their social reach beyond the friends limit. A page allows you to share content with an unlimited audience, enabling you to connect with people who have similar interests. Start by choosing a focus for your page, be it hobby, a cause you're passionate about, or a personal blog. 6. Make your Facebook account engaging. An engaging Facebook account is an active one. Regular updates, sharing interesting articles, posting personal achievements or thoughts, and interacting with others' content keep your profile lively and exciting to others. This activity doesn't go unnoticed. It makes your profile more visible in others' feeds, thereby increasing the likelihood of friends' requests. 7. Complete your profile. A complete profile is more trustworthy and engaging to potential friends. Go beyond the work and education basics and fill out the section about your interests, favorite quotes, and life events. This detailed approach gives people more ways to connect with you. It's not just about showcasing who you are. It's about finding common threads that tie you to others. 8. Engage and interact. Engaging with others is key to truly enhancing your presence on Facebook. Don't just scroll. Like, comment on, and share the content that resonates with you. This interaction is a two-way street. It encourages others to engage with your content in return. Be genuine in your interactions. A thoughtful comment can initiate a conversation and lead to a new connection. 9. Use the follow feature. The follow feature on Facebook allows you to see updates from people you may not be friends with yet. By following others, you can engage with their public posts, which is a great way to start building a relationship. It also increases the chances of them noticing you and sending a friend request. And last, create high-quality content. Creating authentic and high-quality content is crucial for attracting attention on Facebook. Share stories, insights, and experiences that matter to you. High quality doesn't just mean professional photos or well-produced videos. It's about the value and authenticity of what you're sharing. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.